All right, let's please put down, please. Put down, please. Let's solve this problem, please. It says a vessel of 2 meter cube. A vessel of 2 meter cube contains oil. A vessel of 2 meter cube contain what there? Oil, which weigh or weighs 40.5 kilonewton. Are we there? Full stop. Determine the specific gravity 5 kilonewton. Are we there? Full stop. 40.5 kilonewton. Abi. Determine the specific gravity of the oil. Determine what there of the oil. Look up. Before I solve this question, please. This question is basically for foundation of fluid mechanics, right? Let me give you some stuff to note, please. Before I solve this question, not the following, please. Not the following, please. Number one, density. Are you there? Yes. Let me just use it this way. Density is rho. Is what? Mass over what? Volume. Are we there? Yes. Specific weight is this? Is what? Total weight over what? Over volume. Are we there? Note that specific weight is equal to what? Rho times what? Gravity. Listen, keep it formulas to note. Are we there? This one is specific weight. This one is total normal weight. This one is specific weight. SG, specific weight. Are we there? Specific weight, please. That's the meaning. Are we there? Also note this, please. Note that specific gravity is equal to what? Density times what? 1000. Note this. Also note that basically note that density is what? Note that volume, small, not capital V, small v is what? 1 over density. Small b is called a specific volume. Small w is what? Specific weight. Is what? 1 over volume. Are we there? Or small v is what? Capital V over what? Over mass. Are we there? So note these formulas, please. These are foundations you should know. Are we there? This is called density. This is rho. This is rho. A Greek symbol for density. Rho. Are we there? Density what? Mass over volume. M is mass. Then volume. Are we there? The small w is what? Specific weight. Abi. Capital W is what? Total weight over what? Capital V is what? Total volume. Small v is what? Specific volume. Capital V is what? Volume itself. Are we there? So note this stuff, please. Very important, ple's. In the question, let's start give one time. What are we given? Volume of the vessel. Look up. It says what? A vessel of 2 meter cube. What's the meaning? 2 meter cube is what? Volume. Meter cube. Volume. You know that is volume. So what am I giving there? Volume as what? So what there? Meter cube, Abi? Hold on with this. I'm giving what there? Weight. Not specific weight, but what? Weight. What's my weight there? 40 point what? 5 what? Kilo Newton. Know this thing, please. Kilo 10 to the power 3. Mega 10 to the power 6. Giga 10 to the power 9 of 6. Yes, 10 to the power 9. Tera 10 to the power 12. Know this thing for conversion sake, please. Kilo 10 to the power 3. Mega 10 to the power 6. Giga 10 to the power 9. Tera 10 to the power 12. Know them, please. Giga. Are we there? Yeah. So don't combine this one with this one. No, just that stuff there. Let's replace. Now look up. I'm looking for what? What am I looking for? SG, Abi. Yes. S what? SG. Is unknown, Abi. What's SG here? Hold on. Mistake is here, please. Hold on. It is SG here. Then what? Rho is here, please. Please. It is rho SG 1000, please. I wrote SG here before and rho. Please swap it, please. This is the correct expression. Correct expression, please. Now look up. I look for SG, Abi. I can find SG only in this place, Abi. So I'll now recall that SG, that rho is what? SG times what? Abi. Let's look what we're looking for subject. So SG is what? Rho over what? 1000. My task is get what? Rho easily. And then solve, I'm done. But to get rho, look up. To get rho, look up. See, rho is this for Abi, in this place, Abi. In this place, Abi. So I need to get what? Specific weight, Abi. Equal to what? Rho and gravity, Abi. So look up. From here, I'll now recall that with a special. Recall that. Look up from here. Small w is what? Rho times what? G, Abi. Abi. I want to get rho and put it here, Abi. So what's rho? Rho is here is what? W over what? Over G. Right? So what will be W? G is constant, Abi. 9.81, Abi. What will not W? Now small w is what? BW over what? Over V. So small w is what? Over what? What will W? 40.5 over what? What's B? 2. What's W? What do I have here? 20 point what? 25, Abi. In what? Hold on, no. Weight, specific weight. Weight is what? Specific weight is what? Weight over volume, Abi. That's what the Newton per what? Meter cube. Yes. And now look up. Yes, look up. Specific weight. So the formula is weight over volume. Weight can be either kilonewton or Newton. In this question now, okay, they give us just kilonewton. Okay, yes, it should be what? Kilonewton. If it's just only Newton, it will be Newton. And now it's depending over one kilonewton. In terms of Newton is what? 1 times 10 to the power 3 Newton. Kilo is 10 to the power 3. That's all. Newton is just a stuff here. That's it. So for me now, look up. What if I use there? Kilowatt, Newton per watt, meter square. In fluid mechanics, SI unit is confusing. Are we there? So what would the SI unit, please? This one is what? This value, Abi. Volume is what? Meter cube now.
Yes.
So my small w is what? This value, Abi. So already now, get this, Abi. So from here, call this, look up. Equation 1. Call this one what? Equation 2, Abi. So from equation 2, are we there? I have rho is what? Small w over what? Over G, Abi. What is value? 20.25 over what is value? 9.81. Gravity is what? 9.81. Pi is what? 3.142. Constant value, please. Does not change. So what's my rho now? What will be rho?
2.06.
Permit to clean this part. I want to clean this part, please. What do I have here? What's rho now?
2.06.
Sorry. 2.06, Abi. In what? Kilogram per meter cube. This is what? Mass over volume. What's mass? Kilogram. What's volume? Meter cube. So that you get your units now. Check your check the formula I gave you.
It is small g.
Carry
kilonewton per meter cube.
No, small g is gravity. Small g is gravity.
Okay. It's not carrying any SI units.
Small g is gravity, and it's what? Meter per second squared. Acceleration is what? Meter per second squared. Gravity is what? Meter per second. They're the same thing. Either you call it gravity or what? Acceleration due to what? Gravity. Same language. So this is my rho, Abi. My value, Abi. And to what? SG. So put rho here and we are done. So Hence, SG is what? Rho over what? 1000. SG is what? What's rho? 2.06 over what? What's my answer, please? What's SG? 2.06 times what? 10 to the power what? In what? Specific gravity has no SI unit. Please. Has no what? No SI in place. It has no SI in place. That's your answer. Well done.